So I want to mark the high points that I think need to be worked on. I'm testing the VEVOR Dent Puller on the Jag today. These older cars were built with a much thicker material, so it'll be a great test for this machine. And so far, it's handling it really well, moving the metal quite easily. The unit comes with a range of accessories, and this looped wire is really handy for this particular dent. I'm still learning how to use this machine, but so far I can already see its potential. On jobs like this where there's a skin or something in the way of the panel that you're working on and you can't get a dolly behind it, it's just fantastic. It really helps to minimize the amount of filler I'll need in the end. I've sped this up and looped it so you can just see how much movement there actually is going on. I found the shrinking disc especially useful for flattening these raised points from the spot welds and avoiding any sanding that will thin it out. It also takes care of any oil canning effect that was there. Now there are some limits to this machine. Here it wouldn't hold on as it did earlier. My theory is that when the metal is heated excessively or stretched, it affects the spot weld on it. So I had to switch to the welder in the end, but I was still able to make use of the accessories that it came with. Overall, I'm happy with this investment. It's been a great tool for this job, and I'm sure as I get more experience, I'll learn to use it more effectively.